We are a defense tech startup developing a counter UAS platform, so that stands for Counter Unmanned Aerial Systems platform, to tackle the threat posed by militarized consumer drones. So these low-cost drones pose a big threat to kind of the traditional air defense systems in play. And the reason for that is the cost asymmetry between the systems. So a low-cost FPV drone costs on the order of a few $100s. And in order to counter this, it's often employing, multi-million-dollar missile to tackle that drone and defend against that drone. So what we're looking at doing is developing effectors that basically level the cost asymmetry between those and help level the playing field in terms of air defense. There's a lot of interest in this space right now, just given how timely it is in the geopolitical sense, but also in terms of developing these capabilities domestically in Canada. We're working with the Department of National Defence in terms of developing this technology and incorporating their feedback and their operational requirements into developing the system. Being part of the Aerospace Accelerator Program has been very beneficial to me as a new entrepreneur. It's great to have access to the mentorship and guidance that program has provided. It's been invaluable in terms of giving us input on how we should grow the company, how to seek investment, bring on new hires, protect our technology, those sort of aspects. So it's been very valuable in that regard. There's a lot of new grads coming out of the University of Calgary now with the aerospace minor there that have a lot of passion and also a lot of the technical skills now related to aerospace. And it's definitely a blooming industry. There's a great networking effect that comes from bringing together all these entrepreneurs that are at a similar stage in their company, because a lot of these companies are all facing similar problems and similar challenges. So it's great to be able to kind of put all those heads together in a similar space and discuss solutions and paths forward.